Today we will see how to create one online reservation form. So the input data will be date of arrival, number of days, room type, number of person, and the user or customer will be able to confirm booking and allowed to pay advance amount. So we have to create one table with the name room type, which has three fields: room type ID, room type, and price. So first we are going to create one table. For that we are selecting file menu, new, website, and we are creating one empty website. Now we are adding one web form. So add new item, web form. Also we are adding one SQL server database. We are selecting SQL server database, add, and it will be stored within the app data folder. Now in the solution explorer, in the tables, we are adding one new table with the first field room type ID. It will be integer. It does not allow null value. Second one will be room type. It will be varchar. And third one will be price. So price will be also in the integer. Room type name. First we are setting the primary key for the room type ID, and we are saving this table with the name room type. Now in the room type table, we are adding 3 or 4 records so that we can retrieve it during the execution. So room type ID 1, room type name, general, price, house. ID 2, deluxe with its price. ID 3, super deluxe with its type. We are adding only 3 records over here right now. Save this data and close it. In the default page, first we are creating one heading. So we are using one h1 tag, set align center online hotel reservation. Right? Now we are adding one by one different controls. So first we are adding one label. We have to display date of arrival, number of days. So in the first label, date of arrival. Let's say we are creating one table only. From the table, insert table. In the first column, we are going to add the header information like online hotel reservation. The align will be center, align equal to center. Now in the second data tag, we are taking one label. The text will be date of arrival. And here we are adding one calendar control. Next, number of days and room type. So we are taking one more label, number of days. Here we are taking one text box. Next, room type, one label, room type. We can select the type of room from the drop down list. So we are adding one drop down list. Select data source. We are selecting new data source, SQL database, connection string. We are selecting table room type. From that we are going to add room type name and price and finish. So we are going to display only room type name. Next we are having number of persons. So the next label will be number of persons. For that again we are taking one text box. We are merging these cells and here we are having one button and the text of the button will be confirm booking. Also, we have to add one more field like advance payment. So we are taking one label advanced payment and here we are taking one text box. Now on click of button the data will be selected and it will be displayed in the label. So we are taking one label that will be the answer is label 6. In the confirm booking we are writing label 6. This is label 6. Label 6 dot text equal to arrival date calendar 1 dot selected date dot to short date string plus arrival date. The second one was number of days. It is text box 1. So text box 1 dot text plus room type drop down list 1 dot selected item dot value plus The fourth field was number of person and advance payment. Number of persons will be textbox2.text plus advanced payment textbox3.text. So if we select date of arrival, number of days 3, room type, number of persons 5, advance payment 2000. And if we click on confirm booking, so it will display all the detail about the booking. So this is how we can create one online booking form.